is where the door security latch used to be. And there's nothing. Now we're going to reinstall using a security device called the rebar door security device, and we're going to try the same test here and see what happens. So here we just finished putting the rebar door security device on the door jamb, and I just wanted to point out the seriousness of the amount of hardware that goes into the actual door frame of the house. We've got 12 3-inch heavy-duty screws holding the rebar in place. We're going to torque them up here. That's it. That's the last one.